They're not coming out. I'm trying. They're not coming out. I'm an iPhone user. I have been for a long time. And for a very long time, these have been a big part of my life. And I have to get a new pair of these like probably once every 4 or 5 months. Okay, I'm just gonna put this in my ear. How does that look? I feel like, I don't know why, that bald guy from Empire Strikes Back, those feel securely snug in there. Look at that. Okay, let's like put this to the test. I'm gonna run up this little ramp here. Hey Allie, how are you? Ready? Go. Nothing. Wow, they're snug, they're in there. So let's see what they sound like. They didn't give us any music already preloaded on there, not even that U2 album. Let's see, Gucci Mane. Really good sound quality, wow, listen to that. Can you hear that? Oh wow, when you take it out of your ear, it pauses. That's cool. Let's see what happens when you put them back in. Okay, they don't like, it started back up again. Whoa. I just worry like I feel like I look kind of funny. At least I look different. I know that everybody's going to, adapt to this. I don't have to worry about the cord getting caught on a doorknob and getting yanked out of my ear, which happens a lot. I love the idea that I'm just free and I don't have to worry about this anymore. I'm tired of this knot. I'm so tired of it.